Are you trying to decide between Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar? You're not alone. Many people face this choice every day. In this video, we'll compare these two popular calendar tools. Both help you organize your time, set reminders, and plan events, but they each have their own unique features. Let's start with Google Calendar. It's simple and easy to use. You can access it from any device with internet. Sharing calendars is a breeze, making it great for teams. Plus, it integrates smoothly with other Google services like Gmail and Google Meet. Now, let's look at Outlook Calendar. This one is part of the Microsoft Office suite. It offers a more traditional layout that many people find familiar. Outlook Calendar also has strong email integration, which is helpful if you're already using Outlook for emails. It works well for scheduling meetings and managing tasks. So, what are the main differences? Google Calendar is more user friendly and better for collaboration. Outlook Calendar shines with its email features and is ideal for business users. When it comes to features, Google Calendar allows color coding and easy event sharing. Outlook Calendar offers a focused view of your tasks and integrates with Microsoft Teams. Now, let's talk about pricing. Google Calendar is free for personal use, while Outlook Calendar is often included with a Microsoft 365 subscription. In the end, if you want a simple collaborative tool, go for Google Calendar. If you need strong email integration and are already using Microsoft products, Outlook Calendar is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.